back to my class. We have Igbo language. We have what? Igbo language. Yes. Class, all stand up. Hands up. Down. Up. Down. Very good. We have Igbo language. The topic says the use of na in Igbo sentences. Yes. Remember, na is one of the rules guiding Igbo sentences. Like we have earlier said that we have three rules guiding Igbo sentences. One, the use of pronoun, the first person pronoun, second person pronoun, and the others, and the vowel agreement, the second one. The vowels must be together, the same vowel must be together in a sentence. That is the second rule. This is the third rule guiding Igbo sentences, the use of na. Let's see it. There are 5 places where we use na in Igbo language. There are 5 places where we use na in Igbo sentences. Let's see them. Number 1, we use na as a prefix to the first person pronoun I. We use na as a prefix to the first person pronoun I. The first place we use na in Igbo language, you have to use it as a prefix to the first person pronoun I. Like anam abia, anam abia. You have to say anam abia and not a abia. You have to put na to the pronoun that is I, to give it meaningful statement. Okay. Another place we use na, second place, we use na as a prefix to verb in the present tense. We use na as a prefix to verb in present tense. You use na as a prefix to what? To a verb in a present tense. So, you know that this na is very, very important. Let's see the third way we use na in Igbo language. We use na as a prefix to all prepositions. We use na as a prefix to all prepositions. Yes, we have learned that. Last week we learned about prepositions. N'elu, di n'elu, di n'okpuru. So that na is very, very important. We use it as a prefix. Remember, prefix means nganihu, nganihu, mbapunye nganihu, mbapunye nganihu. That is the meaning of prefix. So we use it as a prefix to all prepositions. Yes, we did about 15 prepositions, and all of them we use na as a prefix before all of them. So if you want to know that, you go into our page and see all the prefix, the 15 of them we have treated. Okay. Number 4 way we use na. We use na as a conjunction. We use na as a conjunction. Yes, we use na as a conjunction. Yes, na also works as a conjunction in Igbo language. For example, ji na ede. Ji na ede. You cannot say ji ede. Doesn't give any meaning. But you will say ji na ede, meaning yam and the word cocoyam. Yam and cocoyam. Ji na ede. You cannot say ji ede. No. Okay? The last one, the 5th one, where we use na in Igbo. Let's see it. We use na in reported speech. We use it in reported word speech. Yes, we use na in reported speech. All these 5 places are where we use na in Igbo language. That is to tell you how important na is in Igbo language. You cannot make a sentence without using na. The sentence will not be meaningful. Okay? Let's see example. Let's use this na as a prefix to first person pronoun. Let us see it in Igbo sentence. Topic. we use na as a prefix to the first person pronoun I. Let us see it in Igbo. Example: Anam agba egwu. Anam agba egwu. You can see, look at the na. Ni ana. We use it as a prefix to is I. First person pronoun I. We use it like anam agba egwu. We attach it to this to give this sentence a meaningful one. Okay? Anam agba egwu. You cannot say agba egwu, but anam agba egwu. Second one says anam esi ofe. Anam esi ofe. You can see that we wrote them together. Na and the pronoun, first person pronoun I. We wrote them together. Na and the pronoun. That is what we mean by to make it as a prefix to the first person pronoun. Writing them together. The now will come first. Attach itself to the pronoun. Number 3 example. Anam aga ahia. Anam aga ahia. You cannot say aga ahia. Doesn't make sense. But anam aga ahia. Once more, repeat after me, class. Anam agba egwu. Anam agba egwu. Number 2, anam esi ofe. Anam aga ahia. Now, your own duty is for you to change it, translate these Igbo sentences into English. Like anam agba egwu. Write it here in English at the comment section. Anam esi ofe. Translate it to English at the comment section. Anam aga ahia. Okay? Write it. Let us know who is following our lesson very well. You can ask any question under comment section if you are confused in any part. Like and share our videos, class. Subscribe to our channel. Bye.